Hello Team Healthy. Remember I said I was going to give you so many healthy treats this summer? Now this is one of them. Let's make some very healthy pineapple sorbet. First we're going to need some frozen pineapples. Put them in the blender. Next, we're going to use some frozen mangoes and put them in the blender. Now, you want to make sure that the quantity of the pineapple is more, and then squeeze in some half a lemon juice in there, and then cover that blender up and then crush. Crush with the blender just to break those down, and then I'd really advise you to let the fruits rest for just a little while, say 2 or 3 minutes, and then you proceed to blending. Now after crushing, this is what it looks like, just broken down into more pieces. And then after this, you're going to further blend it till it looks pale. Now if you notice, the color from the one that is almost ready looks more pale than the frozen fruit that has not blended yet in the blender. This is the consistency that you want. This is highly nutritious and refreshing during this weather. It has a very amazing soft texture, sort of like a souffle or like a whipped cream. It is very, very healthy. Now you know pineapple is very healthy and rich in bromelain, which is good for respiratory health. So I really advise you to indulge in this recipe. Now we're going to serve it, and with some fun, of course, we're going to serve it in some pineapple. Now this is what it looks like, so creamy and soft. No one would ever believe that this is just 3 ingredients: pineapples, mangoes, and some lemon juice, nothing else. This is so creamy. The kids love it, adults love it, and your respiratory system will thank you for this. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.